16 billion login credentials have been uncovered online in a massive worldwide breach.
Hello, friends. Do you know that your password was leaked on the internet? I'm not kidding. This is serious. There's a high chance that the passwords of hundreds of thousands of you watching this video right now, of Apple accounts, Google accounts, Facebook and Instagram accounts, have been leaked on the internet, and hackers can access them easily. Look at this headline from a few days ago. More than 16 billion passwords were breached, was some news websites called it the largest. So the obvious question is, how will you know if your account's password has been leaked or not? And if it has, how can you protect your account from hackers? How can you create a password that's so secure that no one can ever hack it? Let's try to answer these questions in this video. We found out about the most recent data leak from an investigation of the Cyber News website. The Cyber News team was closely monitoring the dark web for the data leak since the beginning of 2025. In June, it found 30 different data sets, which were not secured by any password or encryption. It could be accessed easily. They claim that in these 30 data sets, they found 16 billion login details. 16 billion login credentials have been uncovered online in a massive worldwide breach. Some experts say that this story isn't entirely true. This 16 billion number might be exaggerated because it includes double and triple entries of the login IDs. And on top of that, this 16 billion figure was arrived at by collecting previous data leaks. And there's little new data here. But no matter how big or small the data leak is, if your password was leaked, then you will be in a big danger. Using your password, not only can one log into your personal accounts, but one can steal your identity and misuse it. Your family or friends can be blackmailed using your name. There can be attempts to access your financial accounts. Your data can be sold on the dark web, or even you can be blackmailed. So friends, everything that I'm going to tell you in this video is very important in today's digital world, especially for your parents and the elders in your family. Almost everyone uses smartphones these days, but not everyone knows about these precautions. Show this video to your parents and the elders in your family. Broadly speaking, there are 4 main ways used by hackers and cyber criminals to steal your passwords. The first and most common way is phishing. In this, hackers try to trick you through emails, WhatsApp messages, or SMSs, trying to convince you to reveal your password. You might be thinking, how is this possible? You must have seen such emails in your spam folder. Email from Facebook or Instagram, dear mom, offering you the blue tick, asking you to just click on the given button and add your details. And then you'll get the blue tick. This is a common example of a phishing email. Actually, this email was not sent by Facebook or Instagram. Instead, it was sent by a hacker. But the email is presented as if it was sent by Facebook or Instagram. No, when you click on the button, you are asked to enter your information on a web page. It looks like you are logging into your Facebook or Instagram account. But actually, that web page is fake. And when you enter your username and password while logging in, that information goes to the hacker. Similarly, you might get SMSs on your phone, which claims to be from the FBI, informing you that your bank account has been temporarily suspended, asking you to log in immediately. There's a link too, such as www.online-sbi.com. Once again, it might feel like SBI's website URL, but it's not. There are minor differences in the names or URLs of these websites to differentiate them from the real website. But it might be difficult for a person to spot the differences on the web page. You might enter your username and password innocently, while all your bank details and the access to the bank account is shared with the hacker. Phishing is based on psychological manipulation. You share your information with the hacker unknowingly. The simple way to avoid this is to never log in by using the link from any email, SMS, or WhatsApp link. If you need to check something on their website, then just go to any web browser and search for the website's URL and use that. The second method is credential stuffing. In it, the hackers use past data leaks, like this news about 16 billion leaked passwords. The hackers found out about the major data breach,